Hello and welcome to my page. If you've been here for a while, you will know that I do baking and cooking tutorials as well as baking tips. If you're new here, that's what I do. Today I am doing my first ever my first ever cooking tip, and this cooking tip is on how to thaw out your meat while still cooking it at the same time. So what I did is I put my frozen ground pork into a pot. You can do a frying pan as well. I added some water to the bottom. You can also use butter or oil. It works the same way, just add a little bit more. And then I put it on a medium to medium low temperature. I'm on a fast boil burner, so it's at like more of a medium low in the middle there. And you want to let it slowly fry / kind of steam itself. So you're going to cover it once you get the heat on and everything into the pot. And as it slowly thaws itself out in your frying pan / pot, you're just going to slowly scrape away the stuff that comes off nice and easily and let the rest thaw out as you go. If you're worried about the water content at the bottom and you're not doing something like a beanless chili like what I'm doing where I need some water anyways, you're just going to let it all fry out after the meat has thawed. So don't worry about that, and the uneven cooking, you don't have to worry about that either because it's ground beef or ground pork. It'll all fry evenly by the end and by the time you have to add other stuff to it. Thank you for coming to my page. Welcome if you're new, and I hope these tips are helpful.